Hello everybody, so here is a spotlight on Vandachostylis Ladda Gold, also known as Rhynchocentrum, that's the old name, Rhynchocentrum Ladda Gold. And this is a primary hybrid between Ascocentrum miniatum and Rhynchostylis celestis. It's a really nice foxtail inflorescence, and the peach coloration on the petals is very mesmerizing. Um, it's a very stunning inflorescence. The amount of the number of flowers on this one is quite a lot, and it's very attractive. Just like any bandaceous orchid, this one likes a lot of warm temperatures and bright indirect light and sunlight, I mean, and also lots of water and air around the roots. So there you go. So it's a nice Vandaceous orchid that's growing in the greenhouse, and just like to share it with you. And yeah, watch my other spotlight videos. Again, this is Rhynchocentrum Ladda Gold or Vandachostylis Ladda Gold.